These are the key events of the Russian special military operation in Ukraine, updated on Monday, 1st, 2022. Russian Defense Ministry destroyed Ukrainian Energy Machines Point in Kharkiv. Two United States-made rocket launcher of Himars multiple rocket launcher system on the territory of Ukraine eliminated. 53 Ukrainian nationalists and foreign mercenaries dead. High-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces have struck a temporary deployment point of 92nd Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine near Kharkov city. This attack killed 200 nationalists and broke 7 units of military equipment. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov stated that the enemy cast it off. Due to heavy losses in 93rd Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine in Kharkov direction and 128th Mountain Assault Brigade in Zaporozhye direction, there is massive abandonment of combat position and desertion of the personnel of these formations to the central and western part of Ukraine. Operational, tactical, and army aviation missiles, troops, and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 2 ammunition depots near Saveks and Kaleniki, Donetsk People Republic, 1 fuel supply center of armed forces of Ukrainian military equipment near Nikopol, Dnipropetrovsk region, and 239 areas of enemy manpower and military equipment concentration have been destroyed. Other things, 1 launcher of American anti-ships Harpoon missile system have been destroyed near Veliki Dalnik, Odessa region. In the course of counter-battery warfare, 1 artillery battery of armed forces of Ukraine has been destroyed near Umaskoye, Donetsk People Republic. 8 Ukrainian Grad multiple rocket launcher system platoons and 6 artillery and mortars platoons at a firing position near Sukaya Balka, Petrovkoye, Voldanoye, Tonenkoye, Kurdymyovka, and Zerzing, Donetsk People Republic has been suppressed. Russia air defense means have shot down 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Makiivka and Petrolovka, Donetsk People Republic, Lubyamovka, Zaporozhye region, as well as Chervonie Yar, Krasnoye, Adriivka, Zavody, Vernovol in Izium, Kharkov region.